Your real estate assessment notice is a statement of the value of your property, your land, and your home. It is used to determine your tax liability. When the Board of Supervisors adopts their tax rate, we will apply it against your tax assessment to determine your tax bill, which will be mailed out in the midsummer. Real estate assessment notices are mailed out in mid-February when the county executive releases his budget. At that time, we start mailing the assessment notices, and you can go online to look at your assessment value. For residential properties, the values are determined by a sales analysis. In any typical year, we have about 12,000 sales in the county. These need to be arm's length sales that represent fair market value. We do a sales analysis and compare the properties that sold against properties that did not sell so that the assessments are actually based on values from the marketplace. If you have questions about your assessment, the best thing for you to do is to go to our website, look at the value of your property. You can compare it against other properties in your neighborhood, and you can look at the sales that were actually used to determine the values of the properties. You can call into our office during normal business hours and speak to an appraiser, or you can make an appointment and come in and speak with the appraiser that actually valued your home.